Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I share WordPress website and AI Expo tips, alright, what you need to know and how to actually utilize WordPress and AI for advantage. So let's dive into what I have got for you today. Let's dive in. Alright guys, welcome to my channel once again. So today I have something amazing to share with you guys. So I'm going to be sharing something super interesting with you guys. So if you are just getting to know more about creating websites, or you are just getting familiar with WordPress, this is another opportunity for you just to learn one or two things from what I'm about to share with you right away. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing and revealing something. There's a tool in Elementor. All right, so there's a builder called Elementor. So now in Elementor we have about there's what we call widgets. All right, I will expatiate more on that shortly. So there's what we call widgets. Under that widget, we have over 100 widgets in Elementor. So when I mean widget, what do I mean? This is what I mean by widget. This you are seeing here, I'm in my Elementor dashboard now. So this is what we call widgets. All right. So now let me just let us let me just let me just let's get to know what widget is all about. All right. So what is a widget? Okay. Um, what is a widget? Okay. A widget. So let's get to know what widget is all about. All right. So a widget gadget or mechanical device, especially one whose name is unknown or unspecified. All right. The second sentence here says an application or a component of an interface that enables a user to perform a function or access a service. All right. Let's go further again. So when we talk about widgets, all right, here it says, let us focus on this last sentence here, that enables a user to perform a function or access a service. All right, you are functioning and accessing a service that enables a user to access and function a services. All right, so this is this is exactly what it's talking about. All right, when you mean what it means that enables a user to perform a function or access a service. All right. So now in Elementor, these are the widgets. All right. You want to perform a function. This is where to grab. This is where to perform that function. All right. All right. This is where to perform that task. This is where to perform that function. So yeah, here is the widget we are talking about. Now, when you look at when all this, let me quickly show you something that may be strange to you today. All right, let me use this website as an illustration. All right, all this website here, this website you are seeing here, everything that contains in this website represents a widget. All right, yes, it represents a widget. We have in a website, we have header, we have footer. The header you are seeing represents a widget. The footer you are seeing represents a widget. Everything you are seeing here, the logo, everything here represents a widget. All right, without a widget, there's no how one can be able to bring a website to life. There's no how you can create or build any website from scratch without a widget. So that will tell you that, see, another website here, everything you are seeing in this website that make up this website is a widget. All right, it's a widget. Okay, so now so what I'm about to show you now. So I said before that we have over 100 widgets in Elementor. So now my focus today is Elementor. Elementor is a software. All right, let us quickly go through it again. Elementor. Okay. Elementor is used to create and design WordPress website using a virtual drag and drop interface, allowing users to build professional looking sites without needing to code. So Elementor is a kind of software that allows you to create any website of your choice without you bothering of coding, without you coding at all whatsoever. So you can design and build any website from scratch without you bothering of coding, without you bothering of coding or kind of crack any code whatsoever. So Elementor has made it very easier for users to actually create any design of their choice, okay, using their platform. All right. So now, here is my interface here now. This is Elementor interface, okay. And I said before, let me rephrase a little bit. This is what we call widgets. All right. All this you are seeing here is a widget. So today I'm going to be focusing on a particular widget. All right, and it's called button. Okay, it's called button. All right. This is the widget here. It's called button widgets. All right. It's called button widgets. Okay. All right. So now let's ask Google. So we are going to be using more of Google just to explain what the meaning of all this I have been mentioning to you guys. So in order for you to understand exactly what I'm trying to say. So button widget. All right. So now button widget is a UI element that is used to trigger any action. I want you to mark this last sentence here. That enable users to trigger any action. What does that mean? All right. Let me quickly show you what a button. Let me show you an example of a button in a website. All right. All this you are seeing here. Okay, let's go. Let me use this. Okay. This website you are seeing here is a training website. All right. It's a training website and it contains button. All right. All this you are seeing here is a button. This is button. This is what we call button. This you are seeing here is a button. All right. This is all you are seeing here is a button. And this sentence here is saying this action can be used to navigate. Okay, that is used to trigger any action. Are you getting it? So that is used to trigger any actions. That is used to trigger any action. I want you to focus on that last statement. So now, this is what it means. When you click on this, when you click on this button, you are taking action. You are taking action. You are triggering that action by clicking on this button. All right. When you click on this button, it will navigate you to another session entirely where you have to go to follow other proceeding. Are you following? So now, this is all right. So this is exactly of a button. 1, 2, 3 here. We have many buttons in this website. So now 1, 2 here. Okay. This is another button here. All right, which I've already showed you already. This is another button here. So now, this is another button here. So now, this is another button. This is a sign up button. No, now I'm going to walk you through on how to create a button like this sign up now button. All right, using my Elementor platform. Okay, so now let's dive into my Elementor. Now, this is the button I'm talking about. So now to create this button, okay, all I need to do is to drag this button into my container. All right. Okay. So now what else again? So I'm going to follow this example here. We are following this design here, this button design to create ours. If not, make it better. Okay. Now, so here are the features under this button here. So this is where to insert the link. So let us copy this link. All right. So I hope you are following every of my explanation here. I hope so. So now, okay, let's make it default. This is it. All right. What is the name of the test here? Sign up now. Okay. Sign up now. Okay, let's go to style. So what that style means is that you have to design all this you are seeing here. This color you are seeing here is make use of sign. Is make use of style. Sorry, is make use of style. All right. So this style enables you to design your button or whatever it is you want to design. So every widget has its own style. All right, so on this particular button, so we are making use of this style to beautify our button. All right, so now, so this position here, now we are going to put it in center, centralize this our button here. The typography here, let's work on this one. So the typography here, the size, let's make it a little big. All right, it's okay like this. Let us make it bold. Should we make it bold? Extra. Let's see the example here. Here is bold. Okay. All right. Let's just leave it like this. Let's make it 700, or let's make it 500, or let's make it 700 is okay. All right, 700 is okay. Transform. Uppercase. Default. All right, default is okay. The style here. Let's leave it at default. Let's leave it at default. All right, there's no need doing that. So line height. All right, so it's okay here. 13 is okay. The spacing. Let's make it. Let's see. All right. Let's leave it at 1.2 is okay. All right. So the words we are going to leave it here. All right. So now that is that on this typography. If we need to do any adjustment, we are going to still go back to it. All right. So now on this text shadow, let's do something magical. This color here, let's change it to the color that let's change it to this color. All right. Exactly the same color that we all right, still the same thing. Okay, that is fine. Um, let's make it a little big. Okay, it's okay like this. The background color. All right. The background color is same color with what we are using here too. So the boss shadow, let's leave that for now. Border, let's make it grubby. Let's leave it at default. It's okay like this. Now the border. What do you mean by border radius? Border radius is this edge you are seeing here. This curve here that you are seeing here is what we call radius. So let us leave it at 10 is okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, let's make it more 30. That is not too much. Okay, it's fine like this. Let's leave this one at there. Let's leave it at 50. Oh no, it's too much. 10 is fine. Let's leave it at 5. Let's leave it like this. It's okay like this. See the over now. Let's make use of over text. Let's make it white. Over text background type. Let's let's see what we can do here. All right, let's leave it at that. We are adding another. We are adding our this our. We are adding our own style to it. Okay. What else again? What else do we need to add again? All right. What else again? I'm trying to see what we can add. All right. So I think that is on the style. Let's move to advanced. So let's see what we can do. Um, all right. So the border in between. So I'm just I'm just particularly focusing on the button widget. I think we are creating a full website now. We will be doing all this merging and padding um, size. All right. So since we are only focusing on the button, so let us work on the button alone. Okay. So let's leave it since we are just centralize it. So that now this size. Trying to see what we can do to the. Oh, all right. So you can see here. Right. I think this one is okay. This align self here. What this align self means is that this internal section here, you can make it okay. You can see here. Or let's make use of the structure. All right. The essence of this is to allow you to position whichever direction that you are focusing on. So now that we are working on the button, so this exactly this align self here. You see that we can leave it. I think we are creating a plugin. We are only focusing on the button. All right. So now to align itself, you can just leave it like this single inside the button section. All right. So the size. Let's make it. All right. All right. I think we are done on that. We are done on that. Let's see what we can do here. I'm trying to adjust the size. All right. Trying to adjust the size. Okay, I think I've got it. I'm trying to adjust the size. Trying to adjust the size. I'm trying to see if we can adjust the size to make it more, to make it a little bit fat. This this border section to make it a little bit fatting, just the way as that. All right. So the box, which is this one. It's 30 now. What else are we doing? Or I think it's this one. Okay, yeah, we've gotten it. It's the padding section. The inside here is the padding section. The outside is the border. Alright. No, that is too much. Let's make it 40. Let's make it 20. Alright, I think this one is okay. No, it's still not okay. It's still not okay. It's still not okay. Alright, I think there's still one more thing we need to do. This border, we have to let it a little bit wide. So what we need to do now, this align section here, okay, we are going to adjust it. No. Let's see what we can do. I'm trying to see if we can. Still okay like this. Alright, I think it's okay. So it's okay like this. Alright. So this is okay like this. So I'm trying to see if you can make the button a little bit more wide, just like this. Alright. Just making it more wide, just like that. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, I'm not getting there. Still the same error. Still the same error. Let's see. Let's publish it and see first. So let's visit our site to see how magical it is. Trying to see. Alright, let's see. Alright. Go through the site, the website. So we are done with the creation here. So let's go to the site to. So remember, we are not creating a website, full website. We are just creating a session which is called widget. So I'm focusing on a button widget. All right. So let's just go to the page so that we can view our work. All right. So this is where to view our work. All right. This look very beautiful. I prefer this compared to this. The only difference with this and with mine is the border. The size of the border is a little bit wide. All right, and but this look very professional. I prefer this my design. This look very professional. Let me know what you think about this design in the comment section. All right. So I hope this. I hope you've learned one or two things from my illustration. Okay, every step by step on how to create and make use of this button. All right. So you can also take your time to do something like this and even do it better. All right. Okay. So play around with it and okay, play around with it and I believe you are going to come out for today. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. So if you find this video very interesting, kindly like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to be notified. So till next time, peace out guys. Alright guys, trust you learned one or two things in this video. So if you find this video very interesting, kindly like, share, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first to be notified. Till next time, peace out.